prosciutto wrapped asparagus. Trim the ends off. Pour clarified butter over the asparagus. Coat the asparagus. Salt. Pepper. Place the prosciutto over top of the cutting board. Cut the prosciutto in half. Grate some Parmigiano Reggiano cheese over top. Roll them up. Place on baking sheet. Preheat the oven to 425. In you go. Check the asparagus after 7 minutes. Not quite ready. Ah, perfect. Grate some more cheese. Optional. Perfection.
And don't forget to grab yourself a copy of Dr. Wallach's Cooking Without the Bad Foods. It is a traditional cookbook that has been rewritten without the bad foods, especially gluten and no oil. It is 300 pages jammed with recipes and a great textbook to follow. And don't forget to check us out on Notus Foods on Instagram, where we have tons of content. You can ask us any questions and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you.